Now to more from yesterday's major pretrial hearing for Bryan Kohberger, the man accused of murdering 4 University of Idaho students. The judge making some crucial decisions about what evidence will be allowed in his August trial. NBC's Liz Kreutz has the breakdown of what happened in court.
A marathon hearing before a judge in Boise, Idaho, answering some key questions about what evidence jurors may see when Bryan Kohberger's murder trial begins in August. The hearing leaving some questions open, like who, if anyone, can testify to Kohberger's alibi.
Who's going to say he was out driving around looking at the stars?
While also raising some new questions, including Kohberger's attorneys suggesting they've identified another suspect.
We came across a tip that would appear to be an alternate suspect, and we're trying to work through that as rapidly as we can.
The father of victim Kaylee Goncalves reacting to that theory overnight.
The new strategy is going to be, what if it's this guy? What if it's a neighbor? What if it's that guy? So it's just more signs of desperation.
At times, the hearing turning fiery, with the judge appearing skeptical of some of the defense's hundreds of pages of requests.
You've made some serious accusations against the state of hiding evidence, and yet you've provided no factual basis, zero.
The judge has not decided yet whether to allow this selfie of Kohberger or a surviving roommate's testimony that she saw a man with bushy eyebrows leaving the home. Also still up in the air, whether prosecutors can show the jury Kohberger's alleged Amazon purchases, which include a K-bar knife and sheath like the sheath investigators say was found at the murder scene, although the judge did signal he may allow it.
There's not a ground for exclusion.
In late 2022, Kohberger was charged with the murders of 4 University of Idaho students, Kaylee, along with Madison, Mogen, Ethan Chapin, and Xana Kernodle. His lawyers say he has maintained his innocence. At the hearing, the attorneys also sparring over whether the jury should know about Kohberger's autism diagnosis. With Kohberger looking on, his attorneys saying it would be nearly impossible to put him on the stand without that context.
Bryan's physical body is more stoic, how he sits in one place. And he will look for a long time, and that means nothing. That's just how Bryan is.